Rise up, family. Welcome to my channel. You may think I'm crazy recording darkness, but it's because the dog's outside barking up the place. I put food out for her earlier, as I usually do, and the only time I can see, or I can just about see her or get to hear her, is in the night, because I put the food out before I go to my bed, and she always, I don't know if she's coming to thank me or what, but she always barking after eating the food. But tonight she's not going, she's just barking outside. Yeah, so it's just because so many of you have asked me about the dog, you know, and I can't get to capture her in the daytime. I don't see her in the daytime, but I can see her there. You're not going to be able to see her at all, but I can see her moving in the darkness, you know. But she's out there barking, you know. And I know it's me that she's barking for, because she's outside my balcony, outside my house. Oh man. Oh, I don't know this language. Oh. But she can't be, I don't know what she could be barking for, because she's eating the food. It was a lot of food that would have filled up her belly. So I don't know why she's out there. But she needs to stop barking and wake up the neighbours then. Anyway, I just thought I should record that and let you know, at least you know that she's fine. She's fine. She's going to sleep. She's sit down, laying down there. She's laying down now. You know why? She probably was laying down there all the time. I just went to use the bathroom and I put the light on, so she probably saw the light. Anyway, there's no point in you looking at darkness, but I thought I'd just let you know that she's fine. Okay, good night, good night.